Hello everybody and welcome back to Crypto Time. Now today we're going to be talking about the flash crash that happened today on May 11th. And to get it out of the way, I do not think that this is a sustainable crash. I don't think that this is going to carry forward. In fact, we're already recovering from what I saw this morning. When I woke up this morning, majority of the market was in 10+% losses on the day. Now we're seeing some in 8, 7, 6 and working back towards recovering very quickly, I might add. So I'm not worried about this. In fact, in my humble opinion, if you do have extra money right now, you might want to think about increasing certain positions that maybe you're not comfortable with, or maybe that you've been thinking about increasing but are waiting for dips. Now might be that time. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's just my opinion. So what's causing these crashes are actually two stories that I believe are just, there is a lot of FUD to them. Now there is some backbone, but I believe it's just causing a lot of sell-off and a lot of people being fearful of what they're holding, and the sell-off continues. And that's what we see a lot when these huge FUD stories break and people kind of just topple over one another, selling off their positions. And that's definitely not advised. So I definitely would not sell today, especially on the way down. But what these stories are is, number one, a Korean exchange known as Upbit was apparently raided by their government or by their police in South Korea. So a little excerpt from them, or a little quote from them. From the company says, Upbit is currently under investigation by the prosecution, and we are working diligently. Upbit services such as all transactions and withdrawals are operating normally. Your assets are kept securely in your account, so you can rest assured that you can use Upbit services. So apparently what happened is there were some allegations of both embezzlement and fraud, so they are being investigated by the Korean government. Now, it doesn't mean that there's anything that's been found. It just means they're being investigated right now, and they were raided today, which definitely isn't a good sign. But I can totally understand how, if I had cryptocurrency sitting on an exchange, which I know a lot of people do, maybe not majority of their portfolios, but people definitely have an amount of cryptocurrency sitting on an exchange, and if the exchange that I was using got raided, I would most likely either try to withdraw, try to send the cryptocurrency elsewhere, or just do something with the cryptocurrency sitting on the exchange. And I'm guessing that's what's happening with Upbit. And Upbit is a pretty sizable exchange in South Korea. I believe it's one of the largest, if not the largest. So this is happening to a lot of Korean exchanges. However, Upbit is the largest, so definitely going to break news and definitely get people scared about holding there. And I believe that's just what's happening. Now, if you check the volume on a lot of these cryptocurrencies, especially ones that are larger in Asia, you're going to see a lot of sell-offs. So that's definitely what's happening. There's definitely some fear there and FUD, and I believe that's what's kind of carrying this crash. Now, what started this crash was the 8200 BTC that was apparently moved by Mt. Gox. So it says, today on May 11th, various reports have suggested that the recent price dip of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies was triggered by the sell-off of Mt. Gox coins. Four wallets of the Mt. Gox trustee moved around 2,000 Bitcoins each, setting over 8,000 Bitcoins in total over the past 24 hours. Considering that the Mt. Gox trustee was asked to sell over 200,000 Bitcoins and convert it to Japanese yen by local financial authorities, it is evident that any external movement of the Mt. Gox trustee's funds likely means that they are being sold on cryptocurrency exchange. So not only is this happening with 8200 BTC, but also we have the Korea FUD, and I believe that's probably carrying well into the Asian market. So that's what's causing this flash crash today. Again, I don't think that it's sustainable. I don't think that you guys should be worried. But I know that a lot of people were freaking out on Twitter today when I loaded up Twitter and in different forums and on Reddit. So I hope this maybe calms some nerves and lets you guys know what's going on. I will link both of these articles in the description if you guys want to read them all the way through. Make sure to comment letting me know what you guys think about this. Do you think it's going to carry on? Do you think it's just a flash crash? Definitely let me know, because I love reading you guys' opinions and I love responding to them. So thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, everybody, see ya.